The U.S. economy faces elevated risks of recession in 2026.
GDP growth is projected to slow to around 1.8 to 2% in 2026.
Economists estimate about a 30% probability of recession in 2026.
Policy changes and tariffs introduce significant economic uncertainty.
Now, examining the key indicators driving recession risks. Interest rates are expected to ease to around 3 to 3.5% by the end of 2026.
Federal Reserve policy aims to balance growth support with inflation control.
The national debt is approaching $38 trillion. Elevated debt levels heighten fiscal risks for the economy. Inflation remains around 3% above target.
Tariffs could contribute to higher inflation pressures.
Evolving trade policies may raise costs and disrupt flows. Trade-related risks add to overall economic uncertainty. The unemployment rate has risen to 4.6%.
The labor market is displaying signs of weakening.
Job growth has been subdued in recent months. Labor market softness increases recession risks. Consumer spending continues to provide economic support.
However, consumer spending faces potential headwinds.
Household debt levels remain elevated. Consumer resilience remains a key positive factor. The housing market continues to cool.
Higher rates impact housing affordability.
Housing inventory is rising gradually. Housing weakness contributes to broader slowdown risks. Stock markets exhibit ongoing volatility.
Market valuations remain elevated amid uncertainties.
Corporate earnings growth provides market support. Potential market corrections remain a possibility. The Fed may ease policy further in 2026.
Policy adjustments could support economic recovery.
AI-related investments boost productivity. Several positive factors help mitigate recession risks. Economic indicators send mixed signals.
The economy shows resilience despite challenges.
Consumer confidence fluctuates amid uncertainties. Ongoing developments require close monitoring. Recession odds are estimated around 30%.
Uncertainty remains a defining feature of the 2026 outlook.
Recession risk exists in 2026, but outcomes remain uncertain. Preparedness is key, rather than panic. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more content like this.